Welcome to another video where we tackle a common problem in programming. Today we're looking at a situation where validating user input becomes tricky. The problem lies in the code's inability to detect incorrect integer inputs while being able to catch incorrect string inputs. This results in the program accepting any number for the age input, regardless of the correctness of the string inputs provided by the user. Now, let's dive into the solution to this problem. The key approach here is to prompt and validate each user input individually. By utilizing dedicated functions for validating integer and string inputs, we can ensure that both types of inputs are correctly validated. In the first function, named get_it, we set up a loop to continuously prompt the user for an integer input within a specified range. The function checks if the input is a valid number and falls within the defined range. If not, the user is prompted to re-enter a valid integer. Moving on to the second function, get_non_empty_string, we focus on validating string inputs. This function ensures that the user provide the non-empty string as an input. If the input is empty, the user is prompted to re-enter a valid string before proceeding. Additionally, combining these functions in the main program allows for a structured and reliable approach to obtaining and validating user inputs. Each input full name, hometown, and age is processed individually, ensuring that both strings and integers are correctly validated before moving forward with the program execution. When running the program, users are now guided through each input step, with validation checks in place to ensure accurate and reliable data entry. This prevents incorrect inputs from passing through and provides a smooth user experience while interacting with the program. In conclusion, addressing the validation of both integer and string inputs requires a systematic approach of individual input processing and validation. By implementing dedicated functions for validating each type of input, we can ensure that user inputs are accurately validated, leading to a more robust and user-friendly program. And remember, programming is all about attention to detail and providing a seamless experience for users. Happy coding! Don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and leave a comment below with your thoughts. Keep coding and stay tuned for more helpful tips and solutions.